Hey YouTube, we got a video up.
For cuteness.
Whoa.
You'll get a cute mouse and a house runner. For silly video, Maya crazy. That's what I did the first day. So I'm making lots of videos for everybody, so you won't even see that cuteness is cute.
That's right, folks. The cuteness is cute.
So when Gizzy has his duty,
If you put mommy on the video, she's not gonna let us put it on YouTube.
you will see, you will see everywhere for every day. Once you get away for one more video in my channel for Amaya wins. Connect this video to Gizzy. Gizzy, like off. So that will be a crazy video. Bye!